Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jocy here. Today I am very excited because I am going to do another unboxing. And on today's video, I will be unboxing the Comica vlogging set for smartphone kit. This is CVM-VM10-K2 multi-function smartphone video kit, and I didn't have anything like this. Now this is how I got it. I ordered it from Amazon, and yeah, I am just very delighted to show it to you guys what's inside the box. Well, you could already have a hint what are the things that you are going to see though, because the picture is showing on the box. This is just like covered in plastic cover when it was delivered. And a couple of days ago, while I'm talking to you, I'm opening it now. I have a little scissor here. At Amazon, they have this like Amazon Day for 2 days, I think. And so the original price of this was actually 62 euros and a couple of cents, and they sold it for only 55 euros plus I think I got like a 10% off on top of the price, or a little bit more than that. So I only paid like around 50 euros, something like that, if I could remember it correctly. Okay, now we're ripping the box. Let's see. There you go. Now you could see here from the box that you're gonna get the mic, the holder, and a tripod, as well as the cable, TRS and TRRS audio output cable for smartphone, the wind muff, and as well as a portable bag. Now, let's see. Okay, there you go. Oops. So the box looks like that. And yeah, voila. Okay, now it's empty. So let's see guys, it's quite hard to do an unboxing while you are holding it because of course I want you to see it. Okay, wow. So it is secured inside the bag, and I like this very much because it comes with a bag. If you have seen my video, I also bought a microphone similar to this from Boya, but they didn't have this specific like packaging. Now let me show you one by one what are the things that are included in here. So the first thing is the tripod, and now the tripod head, you could move it. You just have to simply push this one and then you are able to roll it. It's quite a little bit hard moving this head though. You could simply like twist it or roll it on the other side from left to right, but it does not allow me to really have like a 360 movable head. Maybe I need to adjust it well, and I think in a long run I could do like some movement, either back and forth or forward. But so far this is just only moving from left to right, and then that one front and back. So but yet if you are already moving that, and once it stays on place, it does feel secure. And what I like about this, I could also use this for my camera. Apart from that, this is very handy. Look how big that is. And you could just simply place it on top of a podest or a table while doing some vlog. And then next is, this is the smartphone clamp. You could screw it to adjust the height of the clamp. Now I have like a smartphone ready here. Let me just do that. Currently, I am vlogging using my smartphone, Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. And this one is the Galaxy, but it is pretty high, guys. You could adjust the height of it and insert your smartphone quite well in here. And apart from that, it is also secure. So the bottom of it is with rubber, and so was the top of it, just to make it sure that it will not slide also. And then simply secure the clamp by screwing it up and down if you need to adjust the height of it. So this is how it should look like. Plus at the bottom there is a screw for you to screw the tripod. And now we are moving forward to one of the most exciting part, and that is the microphone. The microphone has a wind shield foam, and this is the rig. So let me put that back in. It is very special though if you are vlogging outside. So simply slide the hot shoe in here. Let me just do that. Hold on a second. Slide it here and then adjust it again on this part. Now the rig looks very stable and secure. It's not like if you are walking, keeping it moving, but normally if you are vlogging, it's not like you are running though. So even if you are doing so, I think it will still be stable. It does not really have a very shaky sound, especially if you are walking outside doing some vlog. By the way, if I forgot if I mentioned, this is Samsung Galaxy S10. So this is the size of it. And aside from that, it also has this wind muff. Let me open that for you. So this is the wind muff. Looks like that. And this should be good to avoid like the sound, but I could see that it's already falling. I think it's feathering. Okay, let's see. Maybe it's just only the first time when you open it, and afterward it will regularize. Hopefully it will not be unfeathered in the end, but I don't think so. Okay, now you just have to simply slip that in. That one. And it's already secure. However, what I have noticed though, look at that. Let me remove it for you. It is not that tight. Or maybe what I should be doing, maybe I should remove that one first and then secure it like that. So you have to secure it well, because I have the impression that it's not so tight. However, I don't think you necessarily need to have something which is very tight. It's just that I wanted to have this placed securely in the microphone because I don't want to lose it. And then connect it back to the rig, and this is how it looks like. And lastly, this is very important because this is your cable which connects from your smartphone to your microphone. See? So it has a symbol. This is the smartphone, and this one is for the Comica. So it has Comica box here. It says Comica. And now I'm going to connect the Comica cable to the smartphone. And voila, it's already fixed. So this is the complete package, guys. And there is also a manual, and again, there is a case specific for that. I find it really very nice and pretty handy also. And yeah, not everything comes with a bag when you purchase them, like Rode or even like the Boya. And for this price, I think it's quite a good deal having this. Now, on a separate video, I am going to test the audio quality of this item. Now, because I am vlogging using my Samsung S Note 20 or Samsung S20 Note Ultra 5G, it does not have any 3.5 millimeter audio adapter. So at the end of it, I bought an extra adapter for that, and I will be using this to connect my smartphone basically to the cable. So it should just simply hit here and then plug it in my Samsung. I hope you do like this video, and if you do like this video, if you find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, and click that notification bell also for you to get notified whenever I uploaded new videos. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.